Today, I'm going to show you one way on how you can secure your catalytic converter. First off, measure the diameter of your exhaust pipe. Our exhaust pipe measured 2 inches, so we're grabbing the 200 series shims. Conveniently, the 200 was already installed on the clamps here, so all these go back in the box. Just bolt these on loosely for now. Now here is the fun part. This will take some elbow grease and some patience. Every car is different, so you're gonna have to find some anchor points. One at the head of the car and then one at the tail end of the car. With this particular car, I decided to route the cable around the sway bar and then on the other end, the exhaust hanger. Do yourself a favor and straighten out the cable. Now I'm not going to bore you with this. I think you have the idea. Here I am trying to figure out what to do with one end of the cable. I eventually decide to clamp it down with these 2 bolts. Interestingly, as I tighten up these bolts, these 4 main bolts for the clamp, you could see the cable gets squished down as well, so those are secure as well. Clamping force to all the cables. I have the back end of the cables routed around the exhaust hanger here. And then the front is routed around the front sway bar. Now the other end, I decided to go way up there to the engine bay. And for now, I'm just gonna put it here. One thing with caution, make sure that it's away from any sort of electronic components, potentially ground, I guess. Thanks for watching all, and stay safe out there.